welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make turmeric milk with fresh turmeric. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To mortar and pestle, add quarter teaspoon of peppercorns. Crush them well. Now it's ready, keep this aside. Then to this add 1 piece of ginger. Crush them well and keep this ready as well. Now take 1 piece of fresh turmeric. Remove the leaves. We just need a small portion from this. Peel off the skin and wash it well. Add it to the mortar and pestle and crush it well. Keep this ready as well. Now heat a saucepan and to this add 1 cup of milk. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the milk comes to a boil, add the crushed turmeric and crushed pepper. Simmer the flame and let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Milk is packed with nutrients, good source of quality protein. Milk benefits bone health, helps prevent weight gain, and milk is a versatile ingredient. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds and medicinal properties. Natural anti-inflammatory compound, lowers your risk of heart disease, helps to prevent from cancer and help delay aging and fight age-related chronic diseases. Pepper on the other hand is high in antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, improves blood sugar levels and lowers cholesterol levels in the body. After 2 minutes the milk is nicely boiling. To this add 1 piece of crushed ginger. Let this boil for 2 minutes. Ginger is again a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the milk. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this milk today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this turmeric milk is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the turmeric, ginger and the pepper has come together very well. Now off the flame and let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the turmeric milk and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this turmeric milk recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.